Hi Mario.
Hi Andy, nice
How
to
are you
meet
doing?
you. I'm fine.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So here at our best-in-class solution stand on the heavy duty. So let's talk about heavy duty now.
Exactly.
What do you present here?
All right, so in this corner we have our heavy grooving system, HX. Grooving width from 16 up to 60 millimeters.
Okay, but this component looks quite small, right? So
exactly.
What is this presenting?
We were forced to downsize the component because it's a main shaft roller, and it was too difficult to bring a main shaft roller here on our booth.
All right, so you downsize it basically because it would be the half of the booth, right? So just an imagination. Okay, got it. All right.
So high cutting forces and reliability of our tools is pretty important for the customers.
Okay.
That's what we show here.
That looks very amazing. This is a grooving insert.
Exactly.
How much is the width?
Yeah, that's 60 millimeters of width, and that's the way we produce chips like these.
All right, that looks impressive. Okay, cool. What is that one here?
All right, that's a head for bar peeling. So we produce the inserts for bar peeling. Especially we want to focus on our new geometry M30. It's a very unique geometry and works in almost every material. That's pretty important for the customer because most of our customers have different kind of materials in their production, and they don't want to change the inserts all the time. So they have one insert and they can do all the stuff, all the work with that insert.
It's a closed process and they put one bar after the other, and it must be very universal and a nice chip breaker.
Exactly.
All right.
Exactly.
Thank you.
To produce
what is that?
Chips.
Let's talk about
All right. In this corner we have more best-in-class solutions. So this one is from the tubular industry, OCTG threading, special tools and special applications for threading the tubes. Here we have the rail track milling, so turnout milling, rail tracks. Our cutters are very soft cutting, so friendly for the spindle of the machine.
Okay, because I can imagine if you see the track, there's a lot of volume that you machine in one step. So a lot of cutting forces on the spindle.
Exactly.
Okay, and the customers are looking for a very soft cutting, but also nice finishing as well, right?
That's the point. Okay. Exactly.
So this is actually just a part of the milling wheel, right? So the milling wheel is like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Same topic as at the main shaft roller. We have to downsize and just show one piece of the cutter. Okay. Otherwise it would be too large.
Okay.
Almost the same topic, railway. We have here the reprofiling of the railway wheels. Important for the customer is that they can change this system one by one. So it fits in their systems, in their machines, underfloor machines, for reprofiling the railway wheels.
And the reprofiling under the train is basically also important for the chip breaker, right? Because if the chips are too long, it can be very dangerous, right?
You have to use good chip breakers to get short chips to get them away.
All right.
Exactly.
What is that?
Last but not least, this is same topic, also just a piece of the cutter, our new heavy-duty face milling cutter. It's named AHDZ, and the special thing about this cutter is that we are able to use two different sizes of inserts in the same body, depending on the needs of the customer. If he has to do a very deep cut, or if he can just use a smaller insert, he has just to change the shims and can use another insert on the same cutter body.
So to machine most economic, but most flexible as well, because the body is, I think, a big investment, right? So they can be flexible on the insert.
Exactly. Works pretty well in all kind of materials, steel, stainless, and also cast iron.
All right. Thank you, Mario.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Bye.